Okay, yeah. So hello everyone. This is the day one of the scrapping series. आज इस वीडियो से हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं पाइथन स्क्रैपिंग, जिसमें हम लोग यूज करेंगे स्क्रैपी, ब्यूटीफुल सूप और सेलेनियम। ओके, सो आज डे वन है, तो आज हम लोग समझेंगे, वी विल डिस्कस ऑल अबाउट द HTML पेज बिकॉज स्क्रैपिंग इज ऑल अबाउट extracting data from the websites. Okay, so we will see how XPath works or how you can find the specific element on the web page. Okay, so if you want to extract this particular text, okay, who developed Python programming language, okay, so if you want to extract it, how you can do that, or how you can find a specific element on the web page. Okay, so we will look into that. So first I will just right click and inspect, and then it will open the developer tool for me. And now I just want to do, like, I will just click on the developer tool, and I will just press the button Control plus F. Okay, and Control plus F when I click, so I will get the search bar for finding select XPaths or the selectors. Okay, so first the basic, the very basic idea of finding element. First you can just put the HTML body, right, body tag. Okay, so you will get the complete body tag. Okay, but this is a very basic idea, just you don't need a body only, right? You want to go to the specific element. So then our other alternatives we have is to find, use the, let me tell you. Okay, this is the, you can see this is the whole, let me inspect it. You just need to click on this particular button, and then you just need to hover which particular element you want to find. So you will see this is the search, this is selecting here, and once you will click here, you will see this thing. Okay, so this above this whole, all the p tags are inside this particular div tag, and its name is entry content. Okay, so what we will do by using class name, we will do dot entry content. Okay, so you can see we got the three items with this class name dot entry content. Okay, so this is going to be bit specific. Okay, bit specific, we can say. Inside this element, you can see this is the p tag we have, and there is maybe another p tag, this class name we have, okay, in the second or third, but we have use of only one, this one. Okay, so inside this we will go to the, this is the only, this is the first basic idea. Okay, with a single or you can say, if you want to use the ID, okay, this is the div tag you have. Okay, and you will use the ID also, same. You just need to do, instead of dot, you just need to put the hashtag. Okay, has, you just need to put the has, or you will see the specific ID element. Okay, this is highlighting, so this element you will figure out with the name of ID. So when you are using ID, you just need to put the hashtag in front of it. And if you have a class name, you just need to put a dot. Okay, but it is not going to be a specific result. Okay, so if you want to go in the specific this particular text, what we will do, we will move to the next thing. Next idea or next approach for it is, let's go to the, this particular, let me go this particular text, right? We have this particular text p tag we have. Inside p tag we have this text, correct? So what I will do, I will just go with the, I will just go with the, this one. Okay, let's say double slash. Okay, first I will tell you what is the absolute path, what is the relative path. So what is the absolute path? Let me, I will go here HTML, then body. Okay, then div. Okay, then div. Okay, this is going to be the iframe. Okay, so you can see this is going to be the absolute path. Using slash gives you the absolute path. But when you will use, but when you will use double slash in front of it, so it will use the relative path. Okay, it will give you the whatever the iframes we have. Okay, 61 iframes we have, so it is just giving the slash. Then again you will get into the another element. Okay, like a script or something, or whatever you want to go. Okay, wherever you want to go. It's not a script, we cannot find the script tag. Yeah, so we can go into the div, or I don't think inside this we have any tag. Yeah, okay, so we can use let's say div here, slash div, slash div, slash div. Okay, so this is how you can see we are able to find the absolute path. Okay, in future we will use the use case of it. So now let's move to the another approach, which is going to let's take any one form. Okay, let's talk about the one form here. Uh, just go to the login form, something login form, login form. It will not be able, right? Okay, so let's move, or you can find other approaches of finding login page. Let's move to the, okay, let's use another approach. Okay, if you want to use a half tag, okay, there are multiple approaches of using. Let me give you the example. Control F, it will give you the, let's say if you we have any URL here. Okay, this is the URL, right? This is the URL, correct? This is the URL. And now if I want to use it for the data extraction, then I can do it using this. Let me put here half tag, using half tag. So I will just put the URL, right? You can see we got the specific URL element. Okay, this is how you can be able to use the half tag to figure out the specific element. Okay, and then if you want to go to the nested, we can say nested nested element. So let's take this particular website as an example. We will do okay, like class name is the dot entry header, then p tag. Okay, so you can see we will have header, okay, slash div entry header. Okay, then this is entry content. Okay, we need to go to the entry content, then p tag. You can see how many p tags we can be able to see. P, this one, another one. Okay, and then inside that p tag, if you want to go to the a tag, okay, then you can go a tag, right? Okay, and this a tag you can just get the URL or whatever the text you want to get from here. Okay, so you can see how we are penetrating to the specific element. Okay, so this is how you can use the nested you can use the nested path or nested selectors. Then we have another approach. This is what we discussed all about. It is the nested paths, or we can say basic elements or ID or the attribute. Okay. So now we will use the X path. So how X path works? First we discussed about the absolute path, and the second is relative path. So mostly we will use the relative path. So relative path is basically what? If you want to go to the specific element div, okay, div. So you can see you can use a specific div, and you can use the class name. Okay, div, if you want to go class equal to entry. Okay, you can see div slash, it's a div or entry content. Okay, div, it's a div. Okay, at the rate class colon content. Okay, so you can see this is how we can be able to figure out with the class name as well. If I want to figure out this particular element with the class name, I can be able to do it. Okay, and then I will go inside it as a p tag. So all the p tags I can be able to see, right? Next p, right? So these are the 141 elements I got. So inside p, if I will go, so I can be able to see the all the MCQs I can be able to extract from this. right? What will be the value of the following element? Okay, so this is the p tag. Okay, and then another p is this. Okay, so this is how it is working. So how you can penetrate using the XML path as well. Okay, so that's it for today. We will continue tomorrow from the next video. Yeah, thank you so much.